Hi, my name is Brian. This is Your Body Never Lies. This is my life's work. My goal is to teach you how to teach your body how to tell the difference between memories and reality. That's all this work is. Now, when your body knows the difference between its memories and real life right now, magical things happen. First thing is, your body stops attending to your memories. Your body stops coping with them. Why? Because they're not real anymore. There's no reason to cope with them. And two, you start noticing a lot more information. This means that intuition gets amped way up. If you'd like to have a magical life, I don't know of any other way to do it that actually gets results quickly and tangibly very fast. Please stick around, watch some videos, take the workshop if you want. It's free, and if you have any questions, send them in. I love being here, and I love that you've even watched this so far. So I hope to see you some more. Thank you.